My dear children, in this video we are going to discuss about introduction to Boolean algebra. First, let's see why it is named it as Boolean algebra. See here, he is an English mathematician, George Boole, born in England in a poor family. Due to his poverty, he has received only an elementary school education. Despite that, he thought himself highly advanced mathematics and different languages as a teenager without any help and assistance. Then he started teaching at the age 16 and started his own school at age 19. In that young stage itself, he has proposed most of the basic principles of algebra. So the name Boolean algebra has been given in honor of an English mathematician, George Boole. So it is called it as Boolean algebra. Next we can see introduction about Boolean algebra. Let's see what is Boolean algebra. Boolean algebra is a mathematical discipline that is used for designing digital circuits in a digital computer. Here this Boolean algebra is the combination of logical operations and logical variables. Here we have three different logical operations, AND, OR and NOT. We will see later about these three logical operations. Next, the values of logical variables are binary digits, which are in the form of 0 and 1. So, the Boolean algebra is used for designing digital circuits in a digital computer. What is the digital computer? Today's our most commonly used computer is digital computer. Why it is called it as digital computer? It can handle all the data in the form of binary digits, which is 0 and 1. So it is called it as digital computer. This is example for digital circuit. Our today's digital computers processor contains more than thousands of like this digital circuits. This digital circuit made up of digital logic gates. Here we have three different logic gates. First one is AND gate. This is a symbol for AND gate. Second one OR gate. This is image for OR gate. And third one is NOT gate. So image for NOT gate. This digital circuit made up of these three different digital logic gates. Here, these digital logic gates are constructed by transistors. So, the image for transistor, if it is switched on, it is considered as a 1, else it is 0. It is a switching device. So, our today's processor contains more than billions of transistors like this. So, our Boolean algebra is a mathematical discipline that is used for designing digital circuits in a digital computer. These are all not given in our textbook. For your understanding only, I have explained all these things. Here our main important point is what is Boolean algebra. Boolean algebra is a mathematical discipline that is used for designing digital circuits in a digital computer. We know what is digital computer and digital circuits. Our next important point, it describes the relation between inputs and outputs of a digital circuit. This Boolean algebra also describes the relation between inputs and outputs of a digital circuit. Next we can see the basic input-output of three different logic gates. In the next video we can see the detailed explanation. Here just to overview that. First we can see about AND gate. Here 1 means true, 0 means false. First we can see input and output of AND gate. It is just like a multiplication, so its operator given as dot. Here we have 2 input and 1 output variable. In 2 input AND gate, we have 4 possible input values. Here first one is 0, 0. 0 means false, 1 means true. Second possible given as 0 and 1, false and true. Third one is true and false. Next fourth one, we are given both as a true condition. Here our condition is if both input are true, our output will be true. If any one of the input is false, our output will be false. It is just like a multiplication. 0 zeros are 0, 0 ones are 0, 1 zeros are 0 and 1 ones are 1. If all the input are true, our output will be true. But in OR gate, it is just like addition. So its operator given as plus. Here 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. So 1 plus 1 not 2. Here we have to put 1 only. Here if any one of the input is true, our output will be true. If all the input are false, our output will be false. Here both are false, so our output is false. If any one of the input is true, our output is true. Here both input are true, so our output is true. Next one is NOT gate. Not, that is negation. If the input is true, our output is false. So just this will negate our input. Here we have only a single input and single output. This NOT gate, we have only a single input. If the input is true, our output is false. The input is false, our output will be true. Next we can see binary valued quantities. We know in our daily life we are taking various logical decisions in the form of yes or no. Here given three simple examples for yes or no logical decisions. Here first one is, should I carry computer science book every day? Here we have only two possibilities. Whether I have to carry computer science book. If it is yes means we are taking the decision yes, else we are taking the decision no. Here yes means true, which is 1, or false. No means false, that is 0. Next, the second one is 8 minus 10 is equal to 10. Is this answer correct? Here we have two possibilities. Obviously we know its answer is wrong. So its logical decision is no. Next, third logical statement, Chennai is capital of India. Obviously we know its answer is wrong. We know New Delhi is the capital of India. So its logical decision is no. Next, fourth one, what did I say yesterday? Here we are not able to answer in the form of yes or no. But the fourth one, we cannot be answered as true or false. The fourth one, we are not able to answer as in the form of yes or no, true or false. Thus, sentences which can be determined to be true or false, called it as logical statement. Here our first three sentences are logical statements because we can answer in the form of yes or no. It is also called it as truth functions. Next one, the results true or false are called truth values. The result, the answer true or false are called truth values. The truth values defined by logical constant. The values in the form of 190. 1 means true and 0 means false. Next one, the variable which can store these truth values are called logical variables. The variable which can store these truth values are 0 and 1. 0 means false, 1 means true, which is called it as logical variable or binary variable or Boolean variables. Three names we have: logical variable or binary valued variables or Boolean variables. And these can store one of the two values of true or false. In the previous example, you can see that here A, B, Y, these are all logical variables. It is used to store our truth values. Our truth values are 0 and 1. 0 means false, 1 means true. Dear children, in this video we have seen basic introduction about Boolean algebra. Next video we can see logical gates and truth tables. Thank you children.